Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sort your Google Scholar search result by the number of citations using your phone. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. In the address bar, type googlescholar.com and tap Go. Once you are on your Google Scholar homepage, type research topic or article title in the search box and tap search. Once the result page shows up, look for the option that says sort by relevance. Tap on the top your icon. After that, tap on sort by relevance. Now the articles with the most citations appear at the top. Scroll through the list to find the most cited and influential articles on your topic. If you want the most recent research, you can also use date filters on the side left of the page. And that's it. You have just sorted your Google Scholar result by citations using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.